Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram Reels. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application, and now if I go to my profile, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom, and then there is your reel section. So just tap on it, and now you can see these are the reels. Now if I want to, unfortunately you can't do it in the app itself, so just close the Instagram application and open your browser. As for me, I am in Google Chrome. You can use your browser. And now in Google Chrome, first of all, you have to log into your Instagram account on which you want to hide likes on reels. So now if I tap on my profile icon at the bottom, so you can see this is my profile. Now if I go to this reel section, and now if I open any reel, just tap on the reel. Unfortunately guys, you still not hide likes on the reels until you go for desktop version. So click on these three dots in the upper right corner and tap on this desktop side, and now you can see it convert into desktop version. Now if you tap on these three dots on the reel, you will see there is an option hide like count. So just tap on this hide like count and your likes hide on Instagram reels. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.